Okay. The demand curve for oligopoly is also quite unique, yeah, different from the others lah. The demand curve for monopoly is kinked demand curve. Kinked demand curve. This one you can look at page 217. Right. So why there is kinked demand curve for oligopoly firm? Right. It's due to the assumptions of the demand curve itself. Yeah. So untuk assumptions of the theory of kinked demand curve. By the way, the theory of kinked demand curve is propounded by Professor Sweezy. Dia yang came out with the theory lah, yeah. Okay, so there are two assumptions of the kinked demand curve. The first one, if an oligopolistic firm reduce the price, the other rivals firms will also reduce the price. Okay, so if one oligopolistic firm reduce the price, the other rival firms will also reduce the price. Yeah, why? In order to avoid losing customer. Okay, the second assumption is that if an oligopolistic firm increases the price, the other firm will not increase the price, but maintain the same price. Yeah, why? Yeah, in order to gain the customer, yeah, from the firm which increase the price. So kedua-dua assumption ini akan lead to the kinked demand curve. Saya bagi contoh satu assumption pertama. If one firm reduce the price, the other firm will also reduce the price. Contohnya, kalaulah kita kat Malaysia kita ada automobile industry, kita ada Proton dengan Pro2. So kita ada kereta Proton Saga 40,000 initially. Pro2 kita kata Myvi lah, Myvi 40,000 juga. Ataupun kita kata Azia lah, Azia. So 40,000 Saga, 40,000 Azia. So let's say the Proton reduce the price of Saga to 35,000. Takkanlah Pro2 ni dia nak maintain je 40,000 sebab dia akan nampak mahal. So that's why Pro2 pun akan reduce Azia more or less 35,000 atau 36,000 macam tu lah, yeah. Sebab apa? Dia tak nak lose customer. Sebab nanti kalau dia maintain 40,000, semua customer akan beli Proton. So itu the first assumption. Untuk second assumption, if one firm increase the price, the other firm will not increase the price. Contohnya kalau tadi initially 40,000 Proton Saga, 40,000 Azia. Kalau Proton Proton increase the price of Saga to 42 or to 43,000, Pro2 akan maintain 40,000. Dia tak akan naikkan harga produk Azia dia tu. Okay. And dia akan dapat gain customer from the firm which increase the price. So itu the explanations of the assumption lah why the demand curve for oligopoly will be kinked. Okay, so kita tengok figure 7.23 page 218 ya. So kita nampak the demand curve is elastic, yeah, demand curve is elastic above P0 and inelastic below P0. So kenapa above P0 demand curve is elastic? So this is the explanation. So when price is above P0 maknanya when price increase. So when price increase dia jatuh kepada assumption yang kedua. So when price increase, the other firm will not increase the price. Therefore, consumers are responsive towards price change. Sebab consumer dia ada pilihan, dia boleh make their choices. So dia tahu okay kalau firm ni naik harga, oh ada firm lain yang produce barang yang sama. So saya akan pergi kepada firm lain yang maybe harganya lebih murah. Yes, of course bila price increase, dia akan go and find for the other firm yang produce yang harga yang lebih murah. So because of that, when price increase, demand curve is elastic. Maknanya people or consumer are sensitive or responsive towards price change. And then kalau price below P0, kenapa demand curve inelastic? Sebab below P0 bermaksud when price reduce. So when price reduce, the demand curve will be inelastic because kita tahu the first assumption tadi kata apa? When price one firm reduce the price, the other firm will also reduce the price. So tak kisah, consumers are it's their choice. Di mana dia nak beli barang tu tak kisah sebab harga lebih kurang sama. Semua harga affordable. Semua harga yang kurang ataupun cheaper. Cheaper. So when price reduce, that's why the demand curve is inelastic, which means consumers are less responsive towards price change. So that is the explanation for the kink demand curve of oligopolistic firm. And after that, we're going to look at figure 7.24. So this one kita dah tengok how firm under oligopolistic find ataupun going to have their profit maximization lah ya, which is equilibrium. So of course kita tengok figure 7.24. So in this figure kita nampak di mana yes, equilibrium is achieved when marginal revenue equals to marginal cost, right? So dekat sini kita nampak di mana kalaulah marginal is at MC0. Kalau marginal cost is at MC0, saya tunjuk kat sini lah. So when marginal cost is at MC0, so this is the demand curve. This is the marginal revenue curve, right? So MC equals to MR. So this is the equilibrium. This is the equilibrium of firm. Jadi the equilibrium is price is P star, Q is Q star. Let's see, cost has reduced to MC1. So this is the equilibrium. So at point B. So kita nampak equilibrium price is Q star, equilibrium quantity is at Q star, equilibrium price is at P star, which means when there is small changes in cost. Kalaulah dalam cost itu changes dia sangat sedikit, macam MC1 dengan 0 tadi tu, when there is small changes in cost, the equilibrium price and quantity will remain unchanged. Takkan ada perubahan. Tapi sekiranya cost changes in a bigger percentage ataupun there are large changes in cost, then equilibrium price and quantity will change. So I will show you how to draw the three types show you how to draw this gap in marginal revenue again, and then the three types of short run equilibrium, supernormal profit, subnormal profit, and normal profit.